Hello everyone, welcome to the Pirated Mathematics. Today we will start an important topic of class 12, both for CBSE and ISC, differential equation. Till now, you have seen many type of equations such as algebraic equation, say x cube minus x square plus x equal to 0. This is an polynomial equation, right? You also have seen some equation like this: sin x minus cos x equal to 0. This is an trigonometric equation. Also, some of you have seen 2 to the power x equal to 7. This is an exponential equation. Now, today our topic is about differential equation. So, what is a differential equation? As the name suggests, there will be a differential and that should be equation. Therefore, there will be two sides and some derivative will be there. Now, let us write the definition formally. Any, sorry, any equation involving some derivative is called a differential equation. Now, you can take an example of differential equation like ax dy dx plus 2y equal to e to the power x. This is a differential equation because here dy dx is the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable x is here. Now, in this lecture, we will see what is degree and what is order of a differential equation. Let us move to a new page. First, we will define order of a differential equation. What is order? The highest order derivative gives the order of the differential equation. Now let us take an example. Let's say dy dx plus x y equal to sin x. Here the only derivative present is dy dx, and it is a first order derivative. Therefore, this differential equation will be of order 1. Now, if we ask you, can there be a differential equation of order 0? The answer will be no, because zeroth order derivative does not exist, right? Now, we will define degree here. Degree of a differential equation. First, you have to consider the differential equation in polynomial form only. If all the derivatives have positive integral power, then the highest power of highest order derivative is the degree of the given differential equation. Now, let us take some example and see if we can find order and degree of the differential equation. First, we take an example d4y dx4 plus sine of d3y dx3 equal to 0. We have to say what is order, and then we find degree. Here, the highest order derivative is d4y dx4. Therefore, the order will be 4. But you see that here derivative come as the argument of a nonlinear function sin x. Now, sin x do not have specific power of d3 by dx3. It is a infinite series that converges obviously, but this does not have a specific integral power. Therefore, here degree is not defined. If you find that derivative comes as an argument of any nonlinear function like trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithmic function, or say any nonlinear function like transcendental function or square root, cube root, then, and if square root cube root present there and we cannot remove that, then degree will not be defined. In all these cases, degree will not be defined. Let us take another example. Y dashed plus 5y equal to 0. Here, order and here you see the derivative present here is a first order derivative. Therefore, the order will be 1 and the power of this first order derivative is also 1 and no other derivative come as a argument of nonlinear function like trigonometric function, exponential function, logarithmic function. Therefore, here degree will be also 1. Let us take another example. d2y dx2 plus cos dy dx equal to 0. Now, what will be the order? Here, the derivative present is a second order derivative. Therefore, order will be 2. But derivative come as an argument of a nonlinear function cos. Therefore, degree will be not defined. Let us take another example here. A d3y dx3 minus 5 dy dx whole square, sorry, whole square plus sine y equal to 0. Here order will be 3 because d3y dx3 is present here. Now for degree, here you can see that sine is present, but the argument of sine is not a derivative. Therefore, that nonlinear function will be ignored while deciding the degree. Here, the dy dx has power 2 and d3y dx3 has power 1. The order is 3. Therefore, the degree will come from the highest power of d3y dx3. And here the only power of d3y dx3 is 1. Therefore, degree will be 1. So you understand what is order, what is degree of a differential equation, and what is a differential equation. So differential equation is any equation involving derivative of a dependent variable. We will continue the further on the next lecture. Please stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.